Dueling psychiatrists with differing opinions today at the Bionca Ellis murder trial.
Ellis is accused of fatally stabbing 3-year-old Julian Wood and injuring his mother in June of 2024. News 5's Catherine Ross has been following this case from the very beginning. Catherine's in the newsroom. Explain the next steps here and the questions that the jury now has to answer.
Yeah, well, Katie and Damon, this last day of testimony, we saw a pair of experts talk about Bionca Ellis's mental health and offer differing opinions about if she knew what she did was wrong. The defense has entered a plea of not guilty by reason of insanity in this case. Ellis is facing 10 counts, including murder and attempted murder. During the trial this week, we've seen evidence in her testimony about what happened on June 3rd, 2024. The state says Ellis took knives from a North Olmsted thrift store, encountered strangers Julian and Margot Wood in the nearby Giant Eagle, and followed them to their car. They say she then fatally stabbed 3-year-old Julian and injured his mother Margot. The defense doesn't dispute those facts, but its final witness says Ellis has a long history of mental illness. The forensic psychiatrist told the jury Ellis reported hearing voices that day, telling her someone needed to die. After that testimony, the state called a rebuttal witness. That psychiatrist also interviewed Ellis. He said she suffers from schizophrenia, but her actions weren't connected to that illness, and he believes she knew what she was doing.
Was experiencing a rising crescendo of paranoid fear and irrationality, coupled with significant disorganization that culminated in an inability to consider the wrongfulness of her actions. Thus, she did not know they were wrong.
Even if you accept that she experienced these symptoms, which again they're not corroborated, but even if you accept them, had she experienced them, they would not have caused her to believe that committing the murders and the other offenses was the right thing to do.
Now, court just adjourned for the day about 20 minutes ago. Next week, the defense will have an opportunity to cross-examine this last witness. Then we'll hear the closing arguments from both sides, and the jury will then deliberate. We're live in the newsroom. Catherine Ross, News 5.
Been a long, difficult, painful week in this trial. Catherine, thank you for keeping us up to date on everything that's been happening.